Hey guys, welcome again. मैं हूं मयंक पांडे और आप देख रहे हैं फ्री की मैंक.
Chief guest of the event and also the speaker, Mr. Mayank Pandey. More than all, my dear beloved students, let me take this opportunity to welcome the speaker and the chief guest of the program, Mr. Mayank Pandey. Friends, we are all proud of taking the name of Mr. Mayank Pandey because of the simple reason he is our alumni, my dear friends, coming from the same department. Mr. Mayank, it is our honor to have you as a chief guest and a speaker for the program on the topic Master Anything, a step-by-step guide to dream career. On behalf of the management, on behalf of the department, and on my own behalf, I wholeheartedly welcome you, Mr. Mayank Pandey. Friends, today's topic, Master Anything, a step-by-step guide to dream career. It is a very need of the hour, particularly in this COVID pandemic, COVID-19. Why? Friends, now we are all on the digital platform. Till last 1.5 years back, we were in a very offline mode, that is a physical eye-to-eye contact that we were having it, and we were coming in contact, expressing our feelings, expressing our requirements, whatnot. So that was the scenario. And today, everybody is in online mode, sitting at their places, but still our ambitions has to be fulfilled. So this is the greatest challenge for the institution and as well as for the department. So in this direction, I congratulate the department for organizing such a wonderful topic, that too a step-by-step guide to dream career. And I wish all the students take the benefit of this program so that they can, the journey of the career, they can make it a very success. Lastly, my dear friends, nothing can be achieved by hard work, my dear friends. So commit yourself, and the future is the digital era. Listen to the speaker, how the things can be improved on a digital platform, and how you also can adapt to the digital platform. So with these few words, I wish all the success of the program, and I also say good luck to all the final year students. Thank you very much. Back to Farah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your words. Now forwarding to the event, I just want to introduce that Mr. Mayank Pandey will also introduce his ebook named Master Anything, a step-by-step dream career. So moving forward to, I just want to share a brief about Mr. Mayank Pandey. As you know that he is a alumni of our department, EC, RKGIT. He is a blogger, a digital marketer, an upcoming author and an entrepreneur. He is very passionate about digital marketing, electronic gadgets, and I think that's the reason why he chooses ECE branch in RKGIT. He has interest in electronics and gadgets, and he has an idea to innovate them to something new, and this make him inclination to make an electronics engineer. He also worked in 3 reputed companies as a product engineer and consultant. And also introducing briefing about his introduction, he got 2 silver medals in his school time in the field of physics and electronics, and a state level winner in college time during electronic fairs. He
Good.
also conducted few seminars.
All of you, give him a good claps, my dear friends. Okay, good.
He also conducted seminars on IoTs and electronics to motivate students. And he also made more than 100 minor and major products in electronics so far, and still he is growing. And now I am really hopeful and sure that in today's event, all the students will extract very knowledgeable event. So I would like to hand over this event to Mr. Mayank Pandey. Mr. Mayank Pandey, now the event is all in your hands. Over to you.
Thank you, RKGITians. Thank you, Mr. Somsekhar sir. Thank you, Pawan sir. Thank you, Farah. Thank you, Yadav sir, for giving me an opportunity to present me here in front of all of you students. And I would like to thank to all of you 88 students and the faculties who have joined yet. And in today's seminar, we are not going to just a webinar. It's a typical, no, it's not a typical webinar like you were doing for your college or your classes. It's a workshop type webinar. So you're going to learn a lot from here, and you are going to implement it. And I request you, and I bet you, if you are going to implement only one of the idea from today, you are going to get success. And my plan is to launch my very first ebook here in this event. I planned it with Pawan Shukla sir, and after the planning of this webinar, I confirmed that I would be launching my ebook only here, exclusive to you guys. So on that note, I would like to share my PPT, and then we would start our webinar. Okay, so I would like to firstly introduce myself. Okay, who am I? Okay, what I did, and what are the things that you are going to learn in this particular webinar, and what are the different aspects of your life that can be achieved via this webinar. So let me share my screen. So first of all, I would like to ask all of you to turn on your videos, as I can't see yourself. Just turn on all the videos, turn on. It's not like a typical webinar. So I request you to please turn on your videos so it can be more interactful and more practical. I'm waiting to turn on your videos.
All the students, kindly turn on your cameras, please. All the students.
Don't worry about the background. Don't worry about the hairs. You don't worry about your face. No one going to see at all. As you can see, even my background is not well, because I am sitting in my father's library over here, because I'm in the remote area where I don't have access to resources. Okay. So don't care about the background, don't care about your face, don't care about your hairs, whatever you like. Just turn on your videos and clap for yourself, because you are here. A lot of members who have joined, I would like to thank again. And a lot of students who have never joined this webinar are going to miss a lot from it. And you are the special ones. You are getting more out of it. So can you see my screen, Farah? Can you confirm me?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
Visible.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So our topic is how to master anything. I hope you can see my screen and the topic very clearly. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Perfectly visible.
Okay, great. So as you can see, mastery. mastery comes to those who has a limit and no limit and between tangible dream. Okay, and this is what something I grown for myself and become the master of my field. Here is a little introduction about me, who I am, who is your speaker. I'm a blogger at freakymang.com. I started blogging about the technology, about the personal growth, about the digital marketing, and a lot of things to help people, to grow people. I'm an ex-product engineer from Intex Technologies, from VPP Technologies, Hong Kong Limited, and from the ENRG Technologies, India Limited. I worked as a product engineer for more than 3.5 years and gained a lot of knowledge in the field of IoT, electronics, and web development. I became a digital marketer because I thought there is a need for digital marketing to train students like you and the entrepreneurs and the small businesses who don't have a path. I became an entrepreneur in 2012 itself. So basically, my journey started from the 2000, I think so, 4 or 5. I used to sell balloons to my nearby kids. Okay, so that is something I never told to anyone, but this webinar is going to just, I'm just telling you my secrets. Like you are from any background or anything, you can master anything. So I started selling balloons to people from the class 4s. Then in 10th class, I used to sell electronics to my nearby customers or neighbors or students or my classmates. And then I got a lot of traction into the electronics and in this field. And that bring me here. This is my typical background. So in 2014, I formed a NGO that's called Nemactive Access. I usually help people to achieve their goals in the field of knowledge. So when I came out of the 12th, there was no career coach to tell me what should you do. I was just confused. What should I do? Should I go for the BSc? Should I go for the BTech? Should I go for another program? So at that time, I was very confused. And that when I joined the BTech in 2014 in RKGIT, that was a life-changing period for me. But before that, I struggled a lot to select my stream, my career, my course, and I formed an NGO called Nemactive Access to help out all of those students who are facing the same issues. Then I also formed a company, or you can say agency, that's Nemactive Innovations and Life. That is electronics basically, but turned into the digital marketing because I changed my niche from electronics and IoT to digital marketing. But that's not the end for the electronics, my dear friends. So Nemactive handles all of my website development, logo designing, website designing, digital marketing, Facebook ads, and all the kind of stuff that is digital. I also made another brand that is very popular in Delhi. If you are going to ever search for the headphone repairs, you are going to get my website, my listing over here. And I'm getting clients from Patna, from Bihar, from UP, from Delhi, all over the India on this platform that's called Headphone Repairs. Then I registered a new brand that is Freaky Mang. That's my own personal brand. I'm building my own tribe, my own community to help others. Then I came into another brand that is ODOT, that handles my all kind of furniture and interior designing related stuff. And one more brand is yet to come. That is purely in IoT, my dear friends. And if you are going to attend this webinar till the very end, and you are going to read my mastery book, and you are going to develop your skills, no matter how, I'm going to hire you. Either you are going to get a job or not, you have to come to me and you have to tell me whatever you have done, I'm going to hire you, my friends. So that is the basic background of mine. Now, coming to the next side, what are the bonuses you are going to get over here? Because you are attending this webinar, I am going to give you all 3 bonuses. Access to my Facebook VIP group that is open for very limited time. That is open for 24 to 46 hours. And the second bonus is Master Anything ebook that I'm going to launch in this at the end of this webinar, and access to Job Hunt course worth ₹999 for free, because you are my juniors and you are from RKGIT. It is free for you. Are you feeling excited now? Are you feeling excited now? I can't hear you. If you don't respond me, I'm not going to give you any bonuses.
Yes, sir.
Are you excited for this? I want to hear from you guys. It's not a typical webinar. Are you excited? Say yes if you are excited.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That's the spirit. You have to be energetic. You have to be energetic to reach your goals, to set your goals and achieve them. Okay, so here is the cover of my today's Master Anything ebook. So you are all going to get free access to this ebook, and you are also going to get access to my Job Hunt course for free. Now, coming to the point, that is our topic for today. So what you will learn today? What is mastery? Why should you master anything? What should you master anything? Benefits of mastery, how to start mastery. So I would like to tell you my story of journey in corporate world. Some of you might know, some of you might know me, but I never went to CRC for a, what do you say, corporate hiring. I never gone there. And I got a job, my first job in a company called ENRG, Delhi-based company. I just started my job at 15K per month salary. Can you imagine? And today, 2.5 years later, I am sitting in front of you and telling my success stories. And I started my own career for 15K per month. Then within the 3 months, I did something which changed the path. The way my office colleagues looks to me, the way my CEO looks to me, I got a hike of 25K within 3 months. Within 3 months, my friends. Within 3. And then after the 9 months, I got another hike for 30K. Within another 12 months, any guesses? Any guesses? What would be my package? Any guess? I can't hear you. Any guess from the students? I am asking to you. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So any guess over there? What would be the package that I got after the 30K?
15 year about 50K per month.
I started with
35K. 35 to 40K.
Okay. Any other? Any other guesses? No. Okay. Look, guys, if you are not going to open yourself here, forget all the things that your director is sitting with you. Forget your faculties are sitting with you. Forget your HODs are sitting with you. If you are not going to open here in front of me, the person who is coming from you, you are not going to get a job, my dear friend. How would you speak in front of a CEO, in front of a career coach, in front of a MD? Why should I hire you if you are unable to speak? The confidence is everything. So coming back to the point, I got a hike for 50K. I earned 300% of increment within 2 years of my journey. Can you imagine that? 300%. And off the page, I got 60K per month in hand. That's called mastery in your field. That is something mastery.
So how it is possible? The increment is increasing rapidly. How
Yeah,
it is?
that's I'm going to share something. That's the way I achieved my goals. The same I'm going to share all of with you. Okay. So here is the first. What is mastery? Actually, what is mastery? And if you don't know what is mastery, how you can implement it? Okay. So mastery is being a leader in your dominating skill. What is your dominating skill? Some of you might be good at dancing. Some of you might be good at singing. Some of you might be good at writing. Some of you might be good at speaking, as I'm speaking to you. And mastering that field makes you a better person in your own niche. Okay. And the dominating, why I put the dominating word here. So it clears the scenario. Dominating means you have a burning desire to change something within your niche. Okay. Dominating is nothing like you want some money or you want some value from others. Dominating is you have that skill, you dominate that, and you want to add value to others without charging them anything. If I came here and I'm not charging you anything, it doesn't mean this webinar is priceless or worthless. I can charge you anything, whatever I want as a business coach, because I have 6 startups for now. I have a very, very good income and I know the secrets of the industry. That's why mastery is being a leader in your dominating skills. So firstly, you have to select your dominating skills. If you have pen or paper, I want to make some notes of it. Okay. You have to choose your niche from now. You have to select your niche from now, from today and this moment itself. What is the thing that makes you different in front of others? Number 2, why should you master anything? It is very interesting question for all of you. Any guesses? Any guesses? Anyone? If you don't want to speak, no problem. You can put your message in the chat box. Any guesses? Why should you master? No guess. Okay. To be specialized. Okay. You got some faculties in your college. They come teach you DLD. They come to teach you mechanics. They come to teach you arts. They are specialized in different domains. And whenever a question strikes you, you go to them and ask for your doubt. One more example. If you have a pain in your head, you are not going to a doctor who has a specialist in the bones. So if you got triggered electronics question, you are going to visit Mr. Pawan Shukla sir. Okay. If you got anything related to management, you are going to visit Mr. Dr. Som Sekhar sir. Sir, I'm going this kind of problem. आप बताइए मेरे को इसका इलाज क्या है? So you have to be specialized. If you are not specialized, no one going to come you. Because अगर आप एक इंजीनियर के पास जाते हैं जो कि बिल्डिंग बनाता है, you are going to get a blueprint of your home, your company, your society. How can I build a house? how can I build a corporate building? How can I build a society? Give me the blueprint, I will pay you for that. Is it clear? To be specialized. Number 2, build a new persona. The persona is something what you want to build and what in the way you want to present yourself to others. Like I presented myself as an electronics and IoT engineer. Though I am from electronics and communication, I'm not interested about the communication. I don't know communication. I know the basics, but I don't have interest in communication. So you have to build a persona around you, like how people see you. Like he is the master of electronics. He is the master of mobile phones. He is the master of laptops. He is the master of DLD. He is the master of electronics. He is the master of digital. Go to him, ask him. He is going to solve your problem. So there is a quote, fake it until you make it. If you don't have your persona yet, you have to fake it until you make it. Once you fake it, try to build it. Okay. Number 3, for the mastery. Why should you master? That's to become an alpha. So there is an alpha in RKGIT, your director, sir. Whatever he is going to instruct, you all are guys going to follow that because he is an alpha. He is the authority. If you want to be an authority, you have to do mastery in something, in your field, in your niche. He got the mastery for the management. He got the mastery how to think works and how to manage all of this stuff. Are you getting my point? एक बहुत ही बड़े यूनिवर्सिटी, एक कॉलेज को चलाना आसान नहीं है. He is doing a very typical job. And if you want to be alpha, select a niche and master it. That's the 3 reasons why should you master anything. Anything is not कि भाई मैं टीवी देखता हूँ, कल से मैं 16 घंटे टीवी देखूंगा और मास्टरी करूंगा टीवी देखने में. That kind of mastery, my dear friends, you don't need. क्योंकि उससे ना आपकी आंखें फूट जाएंगी, फिर ना आप स्टिक लेके घूमते नजर आओगे. You have to choose a perfect niche. I will clear that point. Now, coming to the next, how to select a perfect niche and what should you master? क्योंकि हम लोगों के पास बहुत सारा सब्जेक्ट होता है. There are a lot of things out there in this world. हर किसी पे मास्टरी कर सकते हो. तो एडवाइस फ्रेंड्स को दी, भाई ऐसा ऐसा जिंदगी में हो रहा है. आई एम अ रिलेशनशिप एक्सपर्ट. ठीक है ना. कल को कहीं झगड़ा सॉल्व करने का आई एम द बैरिस्टर. ये लॉयर वाली फीलिंग अपने अंदर है. So you have to find your interest. Number 1, what should you master? We are going to the way to mastery, and here's the number 1. What should you master? Identify your interest. Have you seen or have you ever experienced in your childhood? There are a lot of things. If you don't go that long, just see, just turn around and look for the 3 to 4 years back in time and see आपको क्या दिखाई देता है. What were the topics you are reading at? What were the things you are looking? What were the things you were searching? Maybe electronics हो सकता है, maybe semiconductor हो सकता है, maybe manufacturing हो सकता है. It can be anything. Might be processing, might be coding, anything. Identify your interest. You are interested किसमें हो. If you are not interested in anything, you are not going to get master. Number 2, you have to see your child inclinations. It also helped me because since my childhood, I was very interested in electronics. In the class 5th and 6th, I used to make gobar gas plants in my neighborhood. आते थे लोग और मुझसे, यार मेरे यहाँ वो बल्ब वाला बना दो, सेल से तोड़ के बनता था वो. I used to visit them and make a gobar gas plant. हाँ चलो बना देता हूँ यार, लाइट वाइट जल रही है. And then I used to make my bike, my cycle as a super bike. कभी डायनेमो लगा दिया, कभी लाइट्स लगा दिया, कभी कुछ लगा दिया. So that inclinations, I started my first ever electronics journey from 4th class when I broke in my video game. और उसका ना neck अलग हो गया था ऊपर से. I visited all the technicians around the area and they denied to repair that. कि मेरे पास ये बस वायर नहीं है, ये नहीं हो सकता. At that time when I was in 4th, I gone to shops, वहां से आयरन वगैरह लिया, सोल्डरिंग वायर वगैरह लिया, and I used to visit these technicians to see how they work, learned their skills. लौट के आया, 15 दिन के बाद खुद बनाया, and that started working. That was the first ever job I ever made for the electronics. Coming to the point 3, no time limit. So no time limit, it doesn't mean you have to work 24 hours. इतना long कोई भी नहीं काम कर सकता, not even me. But no time limit means if you are going to get something, if you are getting a job in your interested skill, in your interested niche, you are going to give it your 100%. कभी कभी देखा होगा हम लोग प्राइम पे बैठते हैं या नेटफ्लिक्स पे और किसी सीरीज को देखना शुरू करते हैं, we forget ourselves, हम हैं कहाँ पे, और जब तक वो सीरीज एंड नहीं हो जाती तब तक वो चलता रहता है. अभी तो यार कितना बजा है, 2 ही बजा है, 4 बजे तक देखते हैं, है ना. So there should be no time limit when you are doing your work in your niche. Number 4, it's not for money. So कभी कभार ये भी होता है, you don't have to pay attention on money. Even I did a lot of product repairs and product selling for free to those who are in need indeed. Not because मैं कोई देन दाता नहीं हूँ या मंदिर का पुजारी नहीं, ठीक है ना, जो प्रसाद दे रहे हैं सबको. Not because of that. Because once you started learn about the humanity and understand yourself, your inner peace, you can give it for free. And that makes you different. Okay. Mastery, as I told you, you are going to be master, so you need to be different. और ये चीज हर किसी में नहीं होती. If you are comfortable with कि भाई इसको खींच लेते हैं, इसकी टांग खींचते हैं, उसकी पैंट उतारते हैं, ऐसा करते हैं, वैसा करते हैं, you are not going to get success at all. Have you ever seen कि कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, they used to help their friends in examination hall. That's the biggest flaw. I'm not going to give you advice कि आप वैसा करो. You are going to ruin your friend's life. अगर वो फेल होगा, he is going to learn again that topic, that subject, and he will be passed. बट अगर उस टाइम आपने उसको वो राह दिखा दी, ले निकल कर ले मेरे में से, कल को तू पास हो जाएगा. दोस्ती तो बहुत अच्छी वहां पे निगाही आपने, लेकिन उसका फ्यूचर आपने खराब कर दिया. तो आपको ये जो 4th पॉइंट है, ये ऐसे भी नहीं लेना है कि आप किसी का बुरा कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना. बट यू हैव टू डू समथिंग गुड फॉर द सोसाइटी, फॉर योर फैमिली, फॉर योर सेल्फ. और अगर आप एक बार देना सीखते हैं, इफ यू स्टार्टेड गिविंग टू अदर्स, इट विल ऑलवेज कम बैक टू यू. अगर आज आपको चोट लगी है, अगर कल दूसरे को चोट लगी, आपने उसकी हेल्प की, और अगर आज आपको चोट लगी है, he is going to turn around and he is going to help you. Now coming to the next side, benefits of mastery. You became an authority. As I gave you the example of Mr. Somsekhar sir, he is an authority. Second example, as a doctor. अगर आपके ना थोड़ा सा भी फीवर आ जाता है एंड यू आर विजिटेड टू ए डॉक्टर, अगर वो कह देना ये लो ये गोली, और आपको पता ही है पैरासीटामोल है, ठीक है, सुबह शाम खा के सो जाना चुपचाप, you are going to take that pill even if you don't want to. क्यों? He is an authority and he is dictating you to do something. And whenever you are going to become a master, you become an authority, and whatever you are going to tell your people, they are going to follow it word by word. That's the benefit. Number two, whenever you are doing mastery, you are going to grow your skill, sharpen your skill, and money comes from skill. बहुत से लोग होते हैं, अभी जब आप लोग कुछ जो 4th ईयर में होंगे, अभी फाइनल ईयर में जब बाहर निकलोगे ना, कंपनीज में रिज्यूमे लेके जाते हैं एक पन्ने का. When I was in 4th year, my resume was 3 pages long because I did something different. I polished my skills with the electronics, with the IoT, with the practicals. And I hope you guys are not doing that in that way. And I request you to go and polish your skills from now. Because if you don't, companies are not going to hire you at all. So skills equals to money. I made more than 100 of electronics projects, filed 2 patents, and got 6 brands for now. And that makes me different from others in my skills to make money. Now people come to me and ask, "Yaar, Mayank, ye kaise hoga?" Even my friends, my good friends, come to me and they recommend me to others. कि भाई अगर तुमको ये फोन में कुछ पूछना है, नया फोन लेना है, या तुमको इस वेब टेक्नोलॉजी से कुछ रिलेटेड बात करनी है, या तुम्हें फिर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग से रिलेटेड कुछ बात करनी है, या तुम्हें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अपने घर में होम ऑटोमेशन कराना, गो एंड विजिट टू मयंक. This is his number, this is his mail ID, mail him, contact him, and he is going to show you the right path. That kind of a skill you have to build, and that attracts the money. आपको किसी के सामने गिड़गिड़ाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. तो सर वाज आस्किंग कि तुमने कैसे किया 15 to 60K, 300% of growth. That is the point. Now coming to the point 3, personal brand. Whenever you are a master, your personal brand grows up. आपने बहुत से यूट्यूबर्स देखे होंगे, they have their personal brand. Like गीगी रंजीत हो गया, टेक्निकल शर्मा जी हो गए, टेक्निकल गुरु जी हो गए, A to Z कोई भी हो सकता है, बी बॉम है. There are a lot of technology channels and some self-help channels, a lot of, and they become a personal brand. And they are selling their merchandise, their kind of stationaries, and a lot of things. क्यों? People are loving them. People are loving the way they deliver the knowledge. People are loving the way they talk their audience. And that makes them different in the market. And they positioned them as their brand. They are the brand now. So you need to be an authority, set skills to make money. Number 3, develop a personal brand. Whenever you are doing mastery, it develops by its own. You don't have to put effort and time. Your time is more valuable. That's the 4 point. Means, अभी आप किसी पार्टी में जाते हैं, people like treat. अबे अच्छा शशांक आया है, ठीक है, आए. कभी कोई अंकल मिल गए, ठीक है ना, जो लोग सिंगिंग करते हैं उनके लिए, बेटा खड़े हो गाना सुनाओ जरा, है ना. But at that time, when you are a master, people know your time, people understand you, people value your time. Because अगर आप उनकी पार्टी में भी जाते हैं ना, they feel honored to have you in their parties. कि हाँ भाई मयंक भाई आए यार, कहाँ आए, बैठे हैं, कोल्ड ड्रिंक दिया कि नहीं दिया यार, कैसा हो रहा, कैसा सब चल रहा, 2-4 लोग पहुंचते हैं, ठीक है ना. That is the benefits you have to develop. And don't worry, I'm with you guys, and I'm going to dictate you, I'm going to coach you, I'm going to train you how to do all these even after this webinar. Now coming to the next slide, how to start your journey towards the mastery. These are very five very easy steps. एंड कुछ लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे मयंक सर आपने बताया तो बहुत कुछ बाउंसर निकल गया ऊपर से, कुछ समझ में भी आया, चलो हमने मास्टरी समझ ली क्या होता है, नीश समझ लिया क्या होता है, किस लिए मास्टरी करनी है, बेनिफिट्स भी समझ लिया, किस चीज में मास्टरी करूं मैं, चलिए वो भी अगर मेरे को मिल गया तो करूं कैसे मैं मास्टरी, ठीक है ना। हाउ टू स्टार्ट मास्टरी, हाउ टू स्टार्ट माई जर्नी टू बिकम अ मास्टर। और अगर मैं मास्टरी करता हूं तो कितने दिन लग जाएंगे। किसी कोर्ट में पढ़ा था मैंने, चांदनी चौक जो मूवी थी उसमें भी देखा था कि 10,000 बार जो आपने स्किल करी उसी में आप मास्टर बन सकते हैं। क्या ये ट्रू है? नो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दैट इज नॉट ट्रूथ। क्या इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मैंने 10,000 बार से ज्यादा की? I did only one course that you are doing right now. I want to just pay attention to that, pay focus on that, and focus your best valuable asset. Time is no more asset. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं time is money, time is money. No, that's wrong. Focus is money. Let me prove it yourself. So, अभी आप ये वेबिनार देख रहे हैं. Okay, if you are not focused, if this webinar is not interesting for you and interacting for you, और ऊपर से पॉपअप आता है व्हाट्सएप का, ठीक है ना, ये फेसबुक का, you are going to divert it to that, है ना? Is it clear or not? Divert it. अभी एक बार डाइवर्ट हो गए ना तो फेसबुक पे अगर आप एक बार पहुंच गए, you are going to scroll all the pages and waste your all the day. Am I clear to you? So your time is not money. Everyone is taking your time. Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, any websites out there, they're taking your time and making money. Why? Because they are focused to their business. Facebook focused at their business. Instagram is focused to their business. LinkedIn is focused to their business, but you are not focused. Why? Because you don't think like your study is your business. It is your business. You are going to earn from it. Whatever you are learning, you are going to earn from it. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल और देता हूं, then we are going to get all the 5 steps. There is my friend Vijay. Okay, we used to live in the same hostel, Tilak Bhavan, room number 3. ठीक है ना? We were 3 roommates. One from mechanical, I am from EC, and he was from CS. Abhi last year he put a status on WhatsApp कि जो कॉलेजेस में करिकुलम सिखाया जाता है, जो कॉलेजेस में पढ़ाया जाता है, वो बाबा आदम के जमाने का है. It's not going to change our lives. I know कुछ लोगों की ये दुखती नस पे हाथ आ रहा होगा, है ना? हाँ, सही पकड़ रहे हो सर, सही पकड़ रहे हो, ठीक है ना? I understand that. कभी मुझे भी लगता था when I was in 12th, अब क्या ये करिकुलम लेके चले आ रहे हो? I don't understand all these kind of things. Then I told him कि एक बात बताओ विजय भाई, he asked me what. मैं कहा चलो मैं तुम्हें लैब दिखा देता हूँ, ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें पीसीबी पकड़ा देता हूँ, कंपोनेंट पकड़ा देता हूँ, सारे केमिकल्स दे देता हूँ इचिंग करने के, ब्लूप्रिंट दे देता हूँ, ठीक है ना, सारे ट्रैक्स बता देता हूँ, और क्या देता हूँ, ये लो चार्जर बना के दिखा दो मुझे 2 एम्पियर का जिसका आउटपुट आना चाहिए एट द 5 वोल्ट. क्या बना सकते हो? He said no. जब तक यार इसके फंडामेंटल्स नहीं क्लियर होंगे, कैसे वोल्टेज और एम्पियर वर्क करता है, हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डेवलप दिस चार्जर? मगर सेम, college is not the place to learn something new, something big, or something latest. They are clearing your fundamentals. They are building your knee. They are building the base where you can stand and grow. फिर उसकी आंखें खुल गई, हाँ यार मयंक भाई सही बात बोल रहे हो, है ना? तो stop blaming yourself, your college, your teachers, your dean, your director, your university. Start focusing on yourself. Now we are coming to our 5 points of mastery. So number 1, don't break the chain. I have a question to all of you. अभी जो भी यहाँ पे हैं, I have question to all of you. Is this seminar feels engaging, or you are getting value or not? Just put in comment box. I would like to see your replies. Please. Are you getting the value?
Yes, sir.
Only one person is getting value. Okay. Okay, I'm getting replies now. Nikhil, Abhinav, Anand, Praveen, Sivin, Aditya, Amit, Umang, Animesh, Nidhi. Okay, great. Vikas. Okay. Great. Shivani, Suman. Nice to have you all, the participants who have replied here. Because मैं भाई सबकी जिम्मेदारी नहीं ले सकता, है ना? कुछ को रिक्शा भी चलाना होगा, कुछ को रेहड़ी भी लगानी होगी, फल फ्रूट्स भी बेचने होंगे. अगर नहीं बेचोगे यार तो मेरा काम कैसे चलेगा, है ना? If you are not going to learn, फिर बाकी काम कौन करेगा, है ना? That's great. जिन्होंने भी रिप्लाई किया और whoever are replying over here, you are great. And more power to you, man. More power to you. I hope you are going to get success in your life. Because if you are not a good listener, in this kind of interacting webinar, you are not going to learn anything from any webinars or any curriculums. Is it clear? That's great. Now coming to the point. So number 1, don't break the chain. Don't break the chain. What does it mean? It's too hot over here. I'm in remote area. Sorry for that. So don't break the chain. It means हम कुछ सोचते तो हैं यार, कल से ना, आज एक मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देखा संदीप महेश्वरी का, कल से साला पहाड़ पलट दूंगा, है ना? वो कुछ भी हो जाए यार, कल तो करके रहना है ये चीज. नहीं, कल से. फिर क्या होता है, 3 दिन तक वो काम किया जाता है और यार ना मजा नहीं आ रहा है. कल को वो सुदीप घूमने जा रहा है ना यार, मनाली, चलते हैं ना यार, बंक मारते हैं क्लास, है ना? It happens to a lot of you. हुआ है ना? Am I right? So don't break the chain. Whatever you are going to achieve, whatever you are going to do, you have to do it at least for 21 days on the same time. Just 21 days. I'm not asking you for a whole month even, not for the whole year even, for 21 days. It is a very little time. And इस 21 days में आपकी वो habit बन जाएगी. Are you getting my point? You are going to form a new habit. and it takes only 21 days to do it. अभी ना कुछ लोगों को ना ये वेबिनार बहुत बड़ा लग रहा होगा, सोच रहे होंगे यार कब खत्म होगा। ज्ञान तो बहुत मिल रहा है ना, क्योंकि when I joined the webinar there was 88, now there is 68 people. तो मतलब जो 20 थे ना वो पहले डिनाई कर रहे हैं, भाई मुझे नहीं सक्सेस चाहिए, है ना। एक केस बताता हूँ, वो अभी कुछ दिन पहले गई, 5 days back I was attending a business webinar. जैसे आपके मेंटर हैं, आपके टीचर्स हैं, फैकल्टीज हैं, I do also have mentors for me. I got Swastik, I got Deepak, I got Ankur. There are a lot of mentors, 5 to 6 mentors for me. I'm learning from them how to business, how to be digital marketer, how to scale myself, how to scale my business. And that BGI class was 3 days long. Start ऐसे हुआ कि अभी खत्म होगा, then it was 3 days long. Swastik said कि एक दिन में we are going to take 8 hours of class. Then इतना interactive हो गया, he took 14 hours a day for 3 days continuous. शुरुआत में पहले दिन तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा, अबे यार कहाँ 8 घंटे दिखा के 14 घंटे की यार सेमिनार ले रहे हो तुम। But after 3 days, third day, after third day, I was feeling like यार एक दिन और हो जाता ना वेबिनार तो मजा आ जाता। Because it became a chain for me to reform me, myself, my routines. उसके पहले मैं 7 बजे तक सो रहा था, बट जब पता चला भाई 9 बजे से सेमिनार है शाम के 6 बजे तक, you have to get ready for that, you have to make your mind for that. Are you clear with the first point? Don't break the chain. At least do it for 21 days. Number 2, just do it. Just do it means whenever we think हम ये काम करेंगे, we just procrastinate कि हाँ अभी करते हैं, ठीक है ना। पढ़ कुछ रहे हैं, कुछ और याद आ गया, ठीक है ना, तो वो साइड में रख दिया, ये अभी करते हैं, दूसरे में पहले रख जाते हैं। फिर क्या हुआ, वो काम रखा का रखा है, अभी नहीं, शाम को करते हैं, शाम को नहीं अब रात में करते हैं। I was facing the same issues with me. क्यों? I don't know. I never know this formula. My mentor told me, screw it, just do it. Whatever comes into your mind, you have to implement that at the point, at that pinpoint. I'm running 6 websites now. Okay. When I started my first website, it was like, अबे करूँ कि ना करूँ, स्टार्ट करूँ कि ना करूँ, कौन सी होस्टिंग लेना है, कौन सा डोमेन लेना है, कैसे क्या करना है, ठीक है ना। बहुत टाइम लगा, it took me 1 year to decide that thing. कहाँ वेबसाइट चलानी है, कौन सी होस्टिंग लेनी है, क्या करना है। But when a mentor told me, just do it, मुझे लगा यार क्या है, 1000-1200 रुपए फेंकने में इतनी मुझे दिक्कत हो रही थी ना, सोचना पड़ता। I just threw away, फेंक दिए पैसे, bought 6 to 7 domains, posted them, and they are running. You can visit my websites, freakybank.com, nemactive.in, o.care, then headphonerepairs.in. A lot of things. So whatever comes into your mind, just implement it. ये नहीं है भाई नोट्स बना रहे हैं, अगर मुझे चेकलिस्ट साथ में बनानी है तो कल बनाएंगे, परसों बनाएंगे, ना ना ना, अभी करो, इससे टाइम करो. You have to do it at that moment, at this moment. Are you getting my point? Is it clearing your? Is it clearing your path? Number 3, the sweet spot. स्वीट स्पॉट क्या होता है? आई नो, कभी आपने किसी काम को स्टार्ट किया होगा, ठीक है ना? जैसे अपने यहाँ जो यंत्रा का होता था, आई डोंट नो आप लोगों को पता है या नहीं पता है, यांत्रिकों में पता होगा, अपने कॉलेज का है, ठीक है? सब लोग भाई कार बनाते हैं ना, ये बनाते हैं, वो वाली कार बनाते हैं, ये वाली बनाते हैं, ठीक है? नहीं, जब ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं ना, उनको बहुत ही हार्ड लगने लगता है एकदम से चीजें। इट्स वेरी हार्ड फॉर मी। यार गलती से ज्वाइन किया मैंने, माफ कसम, ये करना ही नहीं चाहता था मैं। सो यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट अ गोल, कि ऐसा नहीं है कि आज मैंने बता दिया कि भाई आज आप लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ सेलेक्ट करना है, योर निश सेलेक्ट करनी है, एंड देन यू हैव टू फाइंड समथिंग टू डू अबाउट इट। उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बहुत बड़ा गोल रख लो, हाँ कल को मैं पवन जी की जगह ले लूंगा आरकेजीआईटी में, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपनिंग। यू डोंट हैव टू मेक दैट बिगर गोल्स, यू हैव टू सेट बिग गोल्स, बट वो जो आपके फ्रेम में आते हैं, ठीक है ना? यू डोंट हैव नॉलेज, you don't have skill. That's why I told you in the first place to develop your skills, sharpen your skills. That's the sweet spot. Neither hard work nor easy work. माइंड हमारा इस हिसाब से बना हुआ है कि अगर हम इसको इजी टास्क देंगे तो भूल जाएगा, अबे यार बहुत ही सिंपल है, I'm not going to do it at all. और अगर बहुत हार्ड भी दे दिया, यार बाबा बहुत ही हार्ड है, I can't work on that, तो वो भी छोड़ दिया। So you have to select small paths. कोई भी बड़ा काम करना है। मांझी मूवी देखिए, I would like to see some replies. मांझी मूवी देखिए, just give me some replies over here. मांझी मूवी किस किसने देखी? Just type yes. Type yes if you have seen this movie, Manji. Manji the Mountain Man. Yes, yes, yes. Ridhima says yes. Suman says yes. Only बस दो लोगों ने। Others, Aditya, no. Ravi, yes. Abhinav, okay. Okay, Umang says yes. So a lot of persons saying this movie. पता है क्या उसके बारे में खास बात क्या थी? He started cutting mountain. छोटी सी छेनी हथौड़ी लेके पहाड़ काट दिया। Can you thank the devotion for that? And what kind of steps he was taking? He was taking little steps. ये उसने नहीं सोचा कि एक दिन में पहाड़ काट देते हैं चलो, है ना? धीरे 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 करके पहाड़ काटा और रास्ता बनाया इस गांव से उस गांव जाने के लिए, है ना? You have to do the same. That is the sweet spot. बड़ा काम है, पवन जी की जगह लेना है आरकेजीआईटी में, ठीक है ना? कैसे लेना है? धीरे धीरे, पहले बीटेक करो, ठीक है ना, स्कोर करो, फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे, थोड़ा मास्टरी करेंगे, ठीक है ना, एमटेक करेंगे, पीएचडी करेंगे, अप्लाई करेंगे। And if you are, I told you in the first place, if you are master, anyone going to hire you, है ना? So that's the sweet spot. I think you got a clear idea on that. Number 4, commitment. Commitment. Start it right away. Start it right away. Commitment. Commitment तो आप लोग जानते होंगे, बीटेक में है, कोएड में है, समझ में आता होगा, है ना? So whatever you are doing, you have to be committed for that. अगर आप किसी काम को करने की ठान लिया, जब तक हम या तो सक्सेस नहीं हो जाते या जब तक फेल नहीं हो जाते, either one, we need either one, तब तक रुकना नहीं है, don't have to stop. Failure is a key to success. Whenever you are going to fail, बहुत से लोग इसलिए जो जानते हो काम को स्टार्ट ही नहीं करते, because they people think they are going to fail. but that is the path. अगर आप fail नहीं होते, how you are going to know which subject you don't know, what question you don't know, what is the area that you don't know, how you can focus on that. Are you getting my point? So you have to be committed over there कि अगर मुझे आज मैथ का एक चैप्टर निकालना है, you have to do it anyhow. नहीं सोना है, नहीं खाना है. Let me give an example of mine. ठीक है ना? One example. I don't eat food. I don't take lunch on Sundays. Sometimes on Saturdays, even on Saturdays. क्यों पता है? That days I don't work and I don't earn. So those days I don't eat. If there is no work, I punish myself. You are not going to eat anything until you are going to earn a single rupee. If I'm going to earn a single rupee that day, I take lunch. Otherwise, no, you are not going to get lunch. That's my punishment for me. You need a discipline in your life. I never told this to anyone. Because परिवार वाले होते ना, घर वाले, फादर या मदर को पता चल गया ना, यार अबे खाना क्यों नहीं खाते हो, ये वो है ना. That's the thing. Now, finding a mentor, a person that can guide you. So there are a lot of mentors, as I told you, कि मेरे लिए भी mentors हैं, ठीक है ना, guide है, guide person है, who shows you the right path to way to success. If you don't have a right mentor, you are not going to achieve anything. You need a mentor, a teacher, a coach who can show you the right path. For now, your teachers, your faculties are your mentor. Whenever you are going to step out to your college life, the outer world would be your mentor. They are going to cheat you. They are going to betray you. They are going to different kind of lessons. But above all of that, you have to find a perfect mentor who can show you the right path. With that note, we are came to end of this, and now it's time to Q&A. And I would like to launch my ebook, that is Master Anything. I'm going to put the link of this ebook over here in the chat box so that you can access that and download it for yourself. So the link is success.freakymank.com. I have pasted that inside the chat box. If you can see me, anyone can reply. Are you getting that link? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Amit. You have to visit there, and let me show you. You are going to get this kind of page opening, success.freakymank.com. Master Anything, get your ebook. You have to put your name over here. You have to put your mail ID over here, and you have to press this button, get your ebook now. And it would be delivered to you, to your inbox. Okay? You are going to get a mail from me from mail@freakymank.com. And you have to just come to this page. And once you come to this page, and after the submission, you would be redirected to our thank you page. Let me show you something. Okay. Now I have to. So it says, congratulations, you have successfully claimed your ebook. Check your inbox for more details. So now you have to go to your inbox and you have to download it over there, confirm and download. And if you want to become an entrepreneur or digital marketing, or you want to learn more about gadgets and you want a mentor like me, you can join the Facebook VIP group here. It is valid for, you can see here the timer is going up and up. For 2 days, 14 hours, it is open. After that, it would be closed automatically. So it is open for you, all of you guys. And once done, I would like to ask you to go and visit that link, success.freakymank.com. And once done, please put done in the chat box so that I can know you have claimed the ebook successfully. Then I'm going to give you the second link for the course. That is for the $999, but you are going it for free. So just let me know whenever it is done. Okay, Praveen says done, Isha says done, Tanya says done. Okay, Aditya done. Okay, Nikhil, Ankit, Risha, Vaibhav. Okay, Akash says please send it again. Okay, I'm pasting the link again. Anyway says done. Anjali says done. Okay. Welcome on board, Anjali. So who have signed up for the ebook, welcome to my community. You guys are going to get more value than ever you thought. I'm going to show you my business tactics. I'm going to deliver you more knowledge onward, and you are going to learn more about career coaching and business. And that the course I mentioned is going to reveal my secrets, how I achieved 300% of. Okay, Vikas is done. So I was saying like a 300% increment in 2 years. I'm going to reveal all those secrets in that course. So I'm getting a lot of duns over here. Okay, great, Swati, Akash, Sachit. Okay, now I'm going to give you the link of the form. That is a Google form, because I just made you, all of you guys. It is basically, because this course will be free for you, all of the guys. So I have to onboard you separately on this course. So I'm putting the link over here for my course, upcoming course. So you are going to you have to place your email IDs, your number, your year, your branch. Okay, simple as that. You don't have to put a lot of information over there. Once you are done with the form, do let me know. Then we will start our Q&A, question and answer session. Okay. Okay, Suman has done with the form. Thank you, Suman, for confirming that. Okay, Swati says done. Vaibhav, Sheetal done. Okay, great to Vaibhav and Sheetal. More power to you. Arun says done. Thank you, Arun, for confirming. Isha says done. Okay, great. Amit says done. So basically, share me an overview of this course. So this job hunting course is going to be 5 days of course. Okay, either via email or via videos. Okay, so you have to attend all the 5 days to get your freebies. Okay, freebies matlab I would be giving you some bonuses of that course also. So you are going to get your resume templates, maybe some kind of activities and some quizzes, and the question answers what would be asked in an interview. And all these 5 days you are going to get assignments for all the 5 days. So you have to do assignments to clear all those 5 days. You are going to get badges over there. And if I think someone is really good at whatever you are doing, in the first place, I'm going to offer you an internship with me. Is that cool? How does it sounds to you? That's great. I'm getting a lot of done over here. Sani, Aditya, Kirtana, Risha, Vaibhav. That's cool, cool. So you are going to get a chance to work with me as an intern, and there would be a lot of fun. I would take you all of my career, then all of my company stuff, how corporate works, and you would be a part of my corporate. Okay, I think a lot of students have already claimed. And if you haven't claimed both of the things, I am putting the links again over here, and I request you to do it as soon as possible so that we can go to our Q&A. Farah, if you are there, I would like to tell you that copy all these 2 links and paste it whenever someone requires. Okay, I'm coming back to our Q&A. Okay. So guys, if you have any kind of questions related to the topic or off topic, you can ask me here. You have 5 minutes of time, then we will wrap it up. Any questions?
Yeah, students, you can ask queries. Any questions are there from your side? Be open. Students.
I welcome any kind of questions related to career or related to jobs, related to knowledge base, any kind of like my career or your curriculum, anything you can ask me. If you don't want to ask over the audio, you can put it in the chat box. I'm reading that as well. So I'm waiting for more 2 minutes for the questions. If no one going to answer, at the 3 or dot, we are going to wrap it.
Students, come forward.
So you got 1 more minute. It's 2:59. So first question. Okay. Thank you, Ridham, for asking the question. I would like to ask how hard or easy it is to get job in my favorite field. It is like as eating a cake from a cup. It is very easy. Just you have to two things like a correct mindset and then a correct skill. If you have only these two things, you are going to crack any kind of job in any field. Correct mindset and correct skills. Any more questions? Swati says how you decided which web hosting will be good. Swati, it depends upon different kind of things like the kind of network they are delivering. I'm basically dependent on the CDN, that is content delivery network. Then I saw their latency for the network for the India region. So I hosted my website in Singapore. That was the very near server of there. I use basically the hosting. So they are pocket friendly, good service, and good speed. Three things. MD, okay. Tokir Ansari says, are you 2018 pass out? Yes, Tokir, I am from 2018 batch. It's been 3 years for now. I'm in the corporate world. And more power to you all three guys who have ever asked their questions, because it takes courage to ask someone something. And more power to you guys. Toki, Swati, and Ridham. I really appreciate. Sheetal says, what we can do to enhance our site. So you have to, I hope it is the website. Okay. So you have to use the best server. Okay. Best server location. Then you have to see the latency of that. Then you have to host on the CDN, and you can also enable the AMP for your website that can reach to millions of people. And CDN, I would recommend to use Cloudflare as your CDN. That helps a lot in scaling your website. And also, whenever you are pasting some images or some kind of videos, I request you to go with the Imagify. There is a tool to compress your images, or you can do as well using the Photoshop software. So there is a WebP format for the WebP, WebP, okay, WebP format for the images to be uploaded on the website so that you can accelerate your website performance. Okay. Is there any questions?
So how can I get the job in a core company? Means what is the essential things should I have to learn?
So Akash, very good question. More power to you, Akash, for asking this question. I was waiting someone to ask, but no one asked this. So basically, you are learning electronics and you have two branches to choose. Number one is core electronics. Number two is communication. It is very hard to find a job in established companies at the first point. Because
Sorry, sir. Sorry for interruption, sir. There is a three field in front of me. One is
okay,
communication, another is electronics, and third one is CSIT in these companies. Because
okay,
there are many companies are coming our college mainly focusing on the CSIT. Okay, so lots of the
okay,
students participating and they get the job in this. So I should have a chance, have an option to do on this. But I just want to get the job in core company. Okay, so what should I learn to get a complete
Okay, so I got your point, Akash. Firstly, I told in the first point that I never visited to CRC to take a job. I think you listened that carefully. So,
Yes, sir.
because at my point, there was also companies from CS and IT. There was very limited, 1 or 2 companies came for the EC company in 2018. Okay. So that was a plus point for me. Because जब भी आप घर में रहते हो, you are not going to pay attention on the things. You have कि आप बाहर भी कुछ देख सकते हो. I gone out. मैं बाहर देखा. I asked my seniors to recommend me. और कहीं जॉब थी वहाँ ENRG में. और उन्होंने मेरा इंटरेस्ट देखा. He is interested in electronics and IoT. And they just referred me. कि यार मैं किसमें डाल के देख लो कुछ होता है क्या. मैंने मजे में डाल दिया. And I got the job. Because you have to learn marketing. So marketing for yourself. क्योंकि जब आप कहीं पे अपना CV भेजते हैं, that CV going to present you. अभी क्या होता है, हम लोग जब स्टूडेंट लाइफ में रहते हैं ना, 4th ईयर तक आते आते ऐसा बेकार सा CV बना के रखते हैं, इसका कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं होता. फिर बोलते हैं सर हमें तो जॉब नहीं मिलती. ये सारा दोस्त जो है ये CRC का, ये कॉलेज का है. But that is not the point, my dear friend. Your CV is going to represent you as an employee in front of an employer. जैसे खुद को पाउडर क्रीम लगा के रखते हैं ना, फेस वॉश डेली लगाते हैं. You have to polish your CV as well as your skills. That's the very one point that going to help you get your dream job. That's why this is course I made for the job hunting. And that is why I hosted this webinar to this particular college, RKGIT, because that is my own college to master anything. If you are going to read this ebook, you are going to get step-by-step explanation of everything. And I request you, Akash, to choose only one field. Don't get distracted. I saw a lot of ID companies in RKGIT, a lot of companies for CS only, a lot of companies for mechanical. But I never visited to them because I know my potential that I can earn a job in core company and a core field. So never get distracted over that. In the job hunting course, I would introduce some tools that will help you to get email addresses and some sites for the job application also. So you are going to get some mail IDs to direct to the CEOs, to the MDs of that company owners. You can send your CV to them directly and ask them for job. Is it great or not? I hope your question is clear, Akash. You can get a job in core company. You just need to have a better CV than out of the college. Okay, I'm not telling you to get a competition.
Sir, at your time, sir, there is an opportunity to do practical knowledge, but at my time, okay, there is a pandemic situation. Okay, last 2 years we didn't get any practical knowledge. Okay, only theoretical knowledge. So how can I please suggest me?
Look, Akash, that's a superstition. That is a superstition. I did all the 100 projects on my own. I wasted my scholarships. I wasted my pocket money on that. I never took a help. I asked my seniors to give me some components, to give me some kind of inventory, whatever they have in their garbage store. In the 4th year, I submitted a project that is called BLLK, Bluetooth Enabled Laser Logic Key, a patentable project. No one made that ever before. It was just came from here. I just thought the problem of people, and that was the lock that can be operated from anywhere in the world. And I got featured in Hindustan media. I hope I have an image of that. Let me check. Can you see this? Can you see this, Akash?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that was my log BLLK that I made in 4th year and submitted as a project, and that got, and came into Hindustan media. So that's the power. You have to believe in yourself. Don't waste your time like saying कि अभी नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसे नहीं मिलेगा, वैसे नहीं होगा. Just be focused. क्योंकि हर कोई तुम्हें डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश करेगा. You have to be focused. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Anyone else have their questions? Okay, Shashank said how to get placed in product-based companies. Shashank, product-based companies are very limited nowadays. Okay, in EC or in any field. So you have to do some research online. You can mail me on mail@freekeybank.com. I will give you some company examples over there. You can connect to them or you can visit their website and get help. Is that okay? Okay, right. So I hope all the questions are clear now. If you guys have any more questions, I would request you to mail me at mail@freekeybank.com, or you can connect me on social media, Facebook/freekeybank.com, Twitter/freekeybank, or Instagram/freekeybank. I would love to answer your questions. I would love to help you in every way, whatever I can do for you. Is that okay for you? So you can visit over there, my social handles, and you can connect with me and ask me anything you want. And I ask you to also join that VIP group, because all the announcements I'm going to make over there, and you are going to get more value from there. So that's it. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And thanks to RKGIT, thanks to Dr. Somsekhar sir, thanks to Pawan sir, Yadav sir, and all the participants over here for giving me your time and giving me your cooperation till the very end. And more power to you. I would love to help you in every way. And who have signed up for my courses, you are going to get your email shortly for your credentials. Whenever your LMS is ready, LMS is a learning management system. So it is being developed. Whenever it is developed, you are going to get a password for your mail ID. You can log in over there and start learning for job hunting. So stay safe, stay healthy, and
Hello.
stay. Over to you, Farah. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mayank. It was such a wonderful and a nice session, and I'm assured that our students it will help our students. Now, at last, I would like to ask HOD sir to give a vote of thanks to Mr. Mayank. HOD sir?
Hello, Pra. I'm audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Myself, Dr. R.K. Yadav, on my behalf and the behalf of the Department of Electronics, RKGIT Ghaziabad, I would like to thank Mr. Mayank Pandey for delivering us such a nice webinar on the topic. So he has given a very wonderful, session presentation, to the students. And the main theme, what I found from this webinar is the students should be focused, committed, dedicated to their the work. So thanks, I would like to thank Mr. Mayank for giving valuable time for for this webinar. Also, I'm thankful to Mayank for giving the course to our student in terms of job hunting, and he is ready to help the students of RKGIT and from EC department in all aspects. So I hope that the most of the students, those who are interested in terms of the entrepreneurship, we can say that, or to know the more about the corporate world, they can contact Mr. Mayank Pandey in future, and definitely he's going to help you. And I think he will be very happy in terms of what I found from this presentation, that he's very keen to help the students. Now it's the part, we can say that the things are on the part of the students. They can approach Mr. Mayank for getting, we can say that, the support, we can say that, in terms of the technical, in terms of the marketing skills, in terms of the digital, in terms of the websites, or we can so many things he has just explained in his presentation. Also, he has given one book to the student for, we can say that, to know, we can say that, mastering anything. So students can go ahead with the book and read that book completely line by line, and he can ask all the queries regarding the book and all these things, and whatever thing that is required for the jobs in future. Because right now the mostly the students are in second year and third year are here, and they are, we can say that, worried about their placements. Hamara kya hoga, because from last 2 years the lockdown is there. So the very good example has been given by Mayank, that lockdown is there definitely, but you have to be more focused on, we can say that, we know that due to the lockdown, all these things, we are not able to conduct, we can say, practical sessions. We are not able to explore, we can say, the practical exposure. But that depends upon the knowledge and the interest of the student. If they are interested, they can do it at their own also, and they can take the help from their mentors, we can say that. So a very good session, Mayank. I am thankful to you. I would like to thank Mr. Pawan Shukla, Dr. Pawan Shukla also, who has discussed with Mayank Pandey for delivering such a nice session. And finally, I would like to thank, we can say that, all the students from the EC department, second year, third year, and final year, along with the coordinators of the event, Ms. Faranaz and Ms. Renu Rani. And also, I would like to thank all the faculty members of EC department who has, we can say that, motivated the students to join the session. So thank you all. Thank you, Mayank.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Welcome. Okay, Farah, over to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much to all the students, HOD sir, and our today's speaker, Mr. Mayank Pandey. I hope you all will get some beneficial from this event. And now it's time to wrap up this event. Thank you so much, all of you.
Okay, Mayank, see you next time.
Okay, sir.
Whenever you're in Ghaziabad, please visit our college. You are most welcome. I would like to invite you to department. Okay?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah, please.
It would be an honor.
Yeah, thank you.